Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use Pixlr for creating thumbnails. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with logging into our account. So here in the upper right corner we will have the login option, or if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started with opening up our photo editor. So guys, we have two ways of using Pixlr for thumbnails. The first one is to create our own thumbnail using the photo editor. So if you open up the photo editor right here, you can get started with opening the image that you want to use as a thumbnail. As you can see, let's say this is my image right here, and now we can get started with using all the tools that we have right here, such as the range, cropping out, we can cut out our options and icons that we want to use as a thumbnail. We can change the background and so on, and get started with changing the size of the picture into a thumbnail one. But guys, another option we can do if you do not want to go ahead and do all of that is use the AI image generator. So if you open up the image generator, as you can see, we can get started with typing out what we want to use. So let's say we want to see a thumbnail of a dog for our channel. After you type out that guys, you can just go ahead and click generate. That's going to go ahead and use your coins that you have right here and generate that, and after that the picture is going to appear that you can go ahead and start using as your thumbnail. You can download it and do whatever you want. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.